Okay, we're at 6734 Division Ave Northwest. Date's April 16th, 2021. I'm making this recording from the excavation here Bob Oates performed just outside the home. We did a small section of pipe repair, installed a clean out, and about 30 feet of new flow cure-in-place pipeline, or 4-inch diameter. We're sitting out at the Seattle City main right now. We're going to come back from this point and get a look at this entire sewer line. This first stretch is going to be a original section of 6-inch diameter concrete. You can come back a little faster than that, buddy. 6-inch diameter concrete sewer line running out under Division Ave. Coming back towards the sidewalk now. And again, all still original concrete 6-inch diameter pipe here. Coming back into a stretch of PVC plastic here. And then back into a short section of clay. So you've got your downspout tie-in right here on the upper left side of the screen. We come back a few inches from that and you are into our 4-inch diameter new flow liner. We'll come back through the liner now. Just ran a little bit of water through there, so there's a little bit of water in the pipe. Upside down. And up out of the hole there, you're seeing our PVC repair going into the pipe right now. So, end of the video there.